absolute fire! Just like you! Ingredients. 1 pot extra spicy, extra creamy, arrabbiata, sensational, just like you. This is all about garlic and chili pepper. Don't complain, it's gonna be extra, extra, extra garlicky. This pasta is really the solution, the only way against vampire personalities. Yes, you heard it. Vampires' personality hate garlicky. And this is extra. It's a protector of all sorts. It's gorgeous, just like the vampires. So romantic, so mysterious. Eat the spicy arrabbiata by the pasta queen and fight against those vampire personalities. You know, how spicy do you want it? It all depends on how many chili peppers you want to use. These are Calabrian angry chili peppers. We're going to use 4. It's going to be fire! Che sensazione, sarà perché ti amo, è un'emozione. Nasce piano piano, il peperoncino va dentro piano piano. Fire! And by the way, did you know what arrabbiata means? Angry. Because it's so spicy. It reminds you of the fire of passion of the Italian mamas and nonnas that have kept this tradition alive. Today, I'm making it my own way. The secret here is to make this tomato so strained, so velvety, that the pasta cooks in it while still becoming the creamiest, most incredible experience. Oh, mamma mia. This is going to be just gorgeous. No, raga, veramente. Questa è una bomba. And now salt your bath of tomatoes. Bubbling! Why did I strain the tomatoes? I don't want any seeds. I don't want any peels, any hard bits. I want it velvety, with a base of hydration for the pasta that's gonna go inside this pot, completely uncooked. It's a first for the arrabbiata, but so are you. You are a first. Che sensazione, sarà perché ti amo, è l'arrabbiata che mi sta vicino e vola, vola con me, è l'arrabbiata fuori e dentro di me. Che sensazione, sarà perché ti amo, è un'emozione che cresce piano piano. The most misunderstood pasta sauce in the entire world. If you have been lucky enough to go to the right restaurant in my home country, specifically in Rome, and eaten at the right restaurant, you know what I'm talking about. The right arrabbiata is a velvety, creamy, sensational experience of gorgeousness and spice. You almost think you are in hell, but really it's the hell of passion. It almost feels like there's some heavy cream in it, but there isn't. It's the starchiness of the right artisanal pasta. So what am I doing today? I'm giving you a trick, a spicy arrabbiata hack. Why not take a good small shape, your favorite pasta shape that is tiny, and cook it directly in the sauce. Make sure you strain your whole peeled tomatoes so that all the juices are there waiting like this. Pasta, come down. The starch of that pasta is getting released directly into the tomato sauce. Not only the pasta is being cooked in the tomato sauce, so now it tastes like a spicy, feisty night of passion on the Amalfi Coast. I'm just envisioning what it could be. Mamma mia, yeah. Now, depending upon the tomatoes, you might need to add a splash of water. In this case, my tomatoes are nice and juicy. There's a lot of juice that came with the whole peeled tomatoes. But it really depends on the brand, so sometimes you might need to add a little bit of a splash of water, only to make sure that it has enough hydration in the tomatoes. But if you get good tomatoes, whole peeled and their juices in a jar, you shouldn't need anything added. And the pasta has enough water content to rehydrate and cook perfectly al dente. Whoa, it's fire. It's not an arrabbiata without the parsley, and not just a little sprinkle, a lot. You can't call it an authentic spicy arrabbiata without this. If you have been wondering why this channel is so popular, it's because of this kind of recipes! If you haven't subscribed, it's on you. I don't get it. Why don't you? It doesn't make any sense. Back to the dish. This is a spicy arrabbiata and it's gorgeous, mamma mia. The creaminess, look at that, look at that. Way creamier in one pot. Comment down below. Try it in one pot and let me know how it goes.